Hello everyone, we're here in Montreal for the Montreal Grand Prix. Yo, what's up everybody? We're in Montreal and this is the Montreal vlog. In the video before, I uploaded the Montreal Grand Prix vlog, and that's everything to do with Formula 1 related things. This video specifically is just about the city of Montreal and when we were walking around seeing different things, and also some of the food as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you as the video goes along. Alright, so just some quick interesting facts about Montreal. Montreal is the world's largest island city of its size, and also it's a UNESCO City of Design, meaning in 2006 Montreal was recognized by UNESCO as a City of Design, which highlighted its creative architecture and design, and also many festivals. It's a culinary hub, lots of restaurants per capita. This is the Notre Dame. Alright, so we had dinner at the restaurant Bivouac. I hope I said that correctly. And it's our hotel's restaurant, and we stayed at the Doubletree by Hilton, by the way. But yeah, the atmosphere at this restaurant was very, very nice. I had the beef tartare, and my sister had the poutine. But it was just like Bivouac style poutine. And yeah, the beef tartare was very, very good. I usually only have this in Romania, but I was able to have it here as well. Well, it's French, so it made sense. But yeah, it was great. Good morning. Now it's day 2 and we're gonna go and get some breakfast right now. Feeling a little tired. I want to sleep a little bit late, but it's only because like I'm reading so many things about Montreal and the Grand Prix, and to be fair, I could have done that at home, so no excuses. But yeah, but we're gonna wake up and feel good. Pretty good. So fast forwarded to after the second day of the Grand Prix weekend, which is a Saturday, we decided to go and walk around the city some more. And look at this, a loud restaurant and bar right in front of a church. I kind of couldn't believe it, but hey, cool concept, I guess. And clearly it worked because there's quite a few people. But yeah, there were so many people just walking around, but it made sense because of course it's the Grand Prix weekend, probably one of the most busy weekends of Montreal throughout the entire year. This is the ring, which is considered a true Montreal icon. Now next up will be more things related to the Grand Prix weekend, as in relation to cars, supercars for that matter, Formula 1 stores, many music festivals that also have more supercars, so yeah.
got done shopping, you know, got some F1 merch, some toy cars. Man, it is so packed, so many people, lots of walking, but hey, that's what traveling is about, you know. You gotta be ready to walk and be ready to move. So now I'm gonna go up, drop this off, and then we're gonna go and get some food. So should be nice.
So we had dinner at the Baton Rouge Grill House and Bar, and for appetizers we kept it light with fried calamari. Not really any different from any other fried calamari you'd eat. But in terms of main dishes, I had the Baton Rouge burger, which was just excellent with Dijonese sauce. I forget what my family had specifically, but yeah.
Alright, food was super good. They put way too much fries. I couldn't eat all those fries, but the burger was brilliant, you know, really good Dijon mustard. So, and then look at this view. Oh, look at how many people there are. Montreal does not sleep. I mean, especially on a Formula 1 weekend, it makes sense.
So while we were there was also this really large Francophone music festival, and I was wondering how there were still so many people active at this time, but some people just went for this, just for the music festival, not just the Grand Prix, so it made sense why there were so many more people, and also Missy's here. This is such a nice area. So for dinner tonight, we ate at the Universal Déjeuners et Grillades. I hope I said that right, but it's English for Universal Lunches and Grills. For appetizers, my parents had the classic French onion soup. For dinner, my parents had the Montreal poutine with their signature smoked meat. That was really good. And then I had the beef bavette and fries, which was also just really good, cooked to perfection. Alright, that's the end of a very eventful last few days. We're gonna go and see some more views at this like outside patio type of place. So not the end of the video quite just yet, but I thought I might as well do my outro now because I might be a little bit too tired. I mean, I'm already pretty tired now, but yeah, it's been great. I'll do a little review of everything at home, but in terms of here, that's it for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed. That's been Formula 1, that's been Montreal, the Canadian Grand Prix. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Also, I'd just like to issue a really quick apology for a few times where my videos might have been a little, let's just say, wonky. And that's because, especially on that last day, I was just so tired after the whole weekend. So yeah, apologies.